In this video, we are going to discuss about the construction procedure of a hyperbola. For constructing a hyperbola, distance from focus to directrix and eccentricity ratios are required. Let us see a problem. Construct a hyperbola when the distance between focus to directrix is 50 mm and eccentricity ratio is 3/2. Draw a vertical line. It is a fixed line and is called directrix. Mark a point D almost at the midpoint of this fixed line. Draw a horizontal line through this midpoint. It is the axis of hyperbola. In this example, we are taking the distance of focus from directrix as 50 mm and eccentricity ratio is taken as 3/2. Since the focus distance is 50 mm, 50 mm distance is marked on the axis from point D. This point is F, focus. By adding the numerator and denominator of the eccentricity ratio, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, the focus distance DF should be divided into 5 equal parts. For dividing DF into 5 parts, an inclined line at any acute angle is drawn from D. With the help of a compass and taking any convenient distance, 5 points can be marked on this inclined line. A line is drawn by connecting the fifth point of the inclined line and the focus F. Now lines are drawn from other points parallel to the line drawn from fifth point to F. Through the third point, through second point, through first point. These are the 5 equal parts on the line DF. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 can be marked on these parts. Our next step is to locate the vertex point V. Since eccentricity ratio is 3/2, vertex point V to be marked by taking 3 parts from focus F. That is, VF divided by VD is equal to 3/2. Now, a vertical perpendicular line is drawn from V. Distance VF is transferred to this vertical line. A line is drawn from D to connect this point and is extended for a convenient distance. 3 to 4 points are marked after V and vertical lines are drawn through these points until it meets the inclined line at the top and are marked as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. These lines are extended to the bottom of the axis also. Measure the distance 1, 1 dash in the compass. Point F as center. Cut arcs on both the sides of the same line. Measure the distance 2, 2 dash. Cut arcs on the same line on both the sides. Measure 3, 3 dash. Mark points on the line passing through point 3. Measure the distance 4, 4 dash. Cut it on the same line on both the sides of the axis. Join these points with a smooth curve to obtain hyperbola. To draw tangent and normal, mark a point P on the curve through which the tangent and normal is to be drawn. Join P and F. Through F, draw a perpendicular to the line PF. This perpendicular line is made to meet directrix line at T. Join T and P, extend it and mark the other end point as G. This line is tangent. Through point P, draw a perpendicular line to the tangent line. Name it as NM. This line is the normal.